Yo, good afternoon, viewers. Today I will present the material about language of science and the characteristic of language in the English for Science and Technology course. Before I continue, I'm sorry I can show the share screen because my laptop is low battery and maybe you will hear a lot of noise in this video. The first material about language of science. The first slide, a comprehensive overview. The language of science is a specialized form of English that is used to communicate scientific concepts, findings, and theories. It is characterized by its precision, clarity, objectivity, and use of technical vocabulary. The second slide about the key characteristic of the language of science. It is precision, clarity, objectivity, and technical vocabulary. The third slide, examples of scientific language. The experiment demonstrates a significant correlation between temperature and plant growth. The results were analyzed using a t-test. The hypothesis was not supported by the data. A sample of 100 participants was randomly selected from the population. The fourth slide is importance of learning the language of science. Read and understand scientific articles and research papers, communicate effectively with scientists and researchers, evaluate scientific claims and evidence, and develop critical thinking skills. And the fifth slide is talking about the aspect of the language of science. The first is scientific writing. Scientific writing is a specialized form of communication that requires precision, clarity, and objectivity. The example: research paper, scientific article, lab report, grant proposal, and presentation. The second, technical vocabulary. The technical vocabulary refers to the specialized terms and concepts used in a particular field of science. It is essential for precise and accurate communication within the scientific community. Examples: chromosome, photosynthesis, algorithm, neuron, and molecule. The third is scientific communication. The scientific communication involves effectively conveying scientific information to a target audience, whether it's other scientists, policymakers, or the public. The example: presentation, public lectures, media interviews, scientific writing, and social media. In the sixth slide, it is about effective communication is crucial in science. Here are some key aspects of scientific communication. The first is oral presentation. Scientists often present their research findings at conferences or seminars. Written communication, scientific papers, reports, and grant proposal are examples of written scientific communication. The next, collaboration. Scientists often collaborate with colleagues from different fields, requiring effective communication and teamwork. In public outreach, scientists may also engage in public outreach activities to share their research with a broader audience. The seventh slide, talking about technical vocabulary. Technical vocabulary is a crucial component of the language of science. It consists of specialized terms, concepts, and acronyms that are specific to a particular scientific field. This, these terms are often complex and can be difficult to understand for those who are not familiar with the subject matter. Example of technical vocabulary in different fields. It is biology, physics, chemistry, and psychology. Why is technical vocabulary important? And this is the nine or eight slide. I think eight slide. Okay. Why is technical vocabulary important? The first, precision and clarity. Technical vocabulary allows scientists to communicate complex ideas with precision and clarity. It avoids ambiguity and ensures that is on the same page. The second specialization. Technical vocabulary is essential for specialization within a scientific field. It allows scientists to communicate with other experts in their field to contribute to new knowledge. The next, efficiency. Using technical terms can be more efficient than explaining concept in layman's term. It allows scientists to convey a lot of information in a concise manner. The the ninth slide is strategies for learning technical vocabulary. This is contextual learning. Learn technical terms within the context of their use. Read scientific article and textbook to see how these terms are used in real world situation. Use mnemonic devices. Create mnemonic devices or association to help you remember a technical term. The next practice regularly. The more you use technical terms, the easier they practice regularly. The more you use technical terms, the easier they will become to remember. And the last is seek clarification. If you are unsure about the meaning of the technical term, you don't hesitate to ask for clarification. And the last slide is conclusion. Final reflection of language of science. In conclusion, the language of science is specialized from form of communication that is crucial for conveying scientific ideas, findings, and theories with precision, clarity, and objectivity. It relies heavily on technical vocabulary, allowing for accurate and efficient communication within a scientific community. Learning the language of science is essential for anyone who wishes to engage with scientific information, as it foster the ability to understand research, communicate with scientists, and critically evaluate the scientific claims. Mastery of scientific language, including writing and communication skills, is the key to sharing knowledge, promoting collaboration, and engaging the public in science.